Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can open a PayPal account in Oman. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do so, simply go ahead first, access your browser, or you can install the app itself from your Play Store or App Store, and then get your access to PayPal. Then go to the option of sign up in both of the platforms. Then choose if you would like a personal or a business account. Once you have chosen, tap on get started. And then do the security challenge. I am a human. Then you have to simply select your region from this list. So go ahead and select your region. So we have to find Oman from here. So you can see it's available right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and now go ahead, add in your email address. Then tap on next. Now you have to simply create yourself in a password. Once you have created yourself in a password, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna get signed in your account. Now go ahead, set up yourself a payment method accordingly, and you're good to go. That's how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.